Hi everyone, look at this beautiful food art. Let's make it. You can take a large fruit. You can also take an orange in place of this. Now peel the outer skin and remove all the fruit using a spoon. After this, we're going to cut the eyes, legs and different shapes from the peel out of the fruit and dab all of them around it. Here we are making a cartoon character. After this, we're going to fill it with the fruit and look, it's ready. Let's make this hedgehog. First we are going to make multiple cuts using a cutter and dab all the seeds like we are doing here. Cover the entire potato leaving the front side open. Now we are going to paste googly eyes and look, your hedgehog is ready. Look at this colorful butterfly. Let's make it. We are going to cut the shape of butterfly and paste double-sided tape. Now we are going to paste all these colorful leaves on the top of it and look, it's ready. Similar way, make the body using peanut shell, paste googly eyes and a stick and look, your butterfly is ready. We are going to make this beautiful fish hanging. So cut the shape of the fish from cardboard. Now remove the seeds and paste all of them using a glue on the top of the cardboard fish. Cover the entire body. Similar way, we are going to make the fins using pine leaves. Paste all of them, cut the extra leaf, paste eyes and look, your fish hanging is ready. Look at this beautiful flower stick. So let's make it. We are going to cut these heart-shaped flower petals from craft paper and paste all of them one after another using glue. Now cut the leaves as well. Roll a green stick and paste all of them together. Flip it and look, it's ready. Look at this fun craft. Let's make it for your kids. For that, we are going to take this pink craft paper and draw this flower. Draw a circle and its hand and smiley face. Now cut it and make more such shapes using colorful craft paper like this. Now we are going to take this yellow circle and fold it and make a semicircle. Now make 3 cuts on the top of it and put all the smiley flowers on it and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.